Peter. Right there.
Oh, that one.
There's gonna be one there. There's one in here in this grease clot. There's one in here in this grease clot. Really? So we're gonna take all those pins out. We gotta take these nuts off. Oh girl, do you want to start on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
There you go, Peter.
That's the head.
Get your own in there. There you go.
I got this as well.
Oh, there's a gauge of space case. And then, yeah, oh girl, there's 3 on this side too.
Just pull these out.
Yeah, you just pull them out.
Like pencil.
Yeah, you straighten it and pull it out. Straighten them and pull them out. And then, exactly, and
Alright, so there's,
and here, girl. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And then there's 2 here. There's 1 and 2.
Okay.
Those are big. So you guys are on that. Paul's here.
Oh, come on, girl. Oh, come on. We know they're here. We know.
Mike's here too.
We know you.
Yay.
Okay.
We're all done in the back now. Beautiful. So everybody's on Cotter pin removal right now.
Do you guys want the car up a little higher?
Yeah, there's definitely better.
I had this height for Peter to get the tires off.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can go up in a minute.
Yeah.
Guys, do you want to go up with this? You want to come out for a second? Go up? Okay. Peter, go ahead and come out for a second. Yeah. Break them off. And then once you guys get a couple broken off, then we'll start blowing these pieces apart. But man, this thing is dirty.
Try this too, Peter. Might make it a little easier.
Oh yeah,
Hook
hook that
Where
thing.
does that go?
Oh, you got a hooker in that end there, and
In
then
here?
Yeah, put the hooker in there.
yank on it. See if it
You like that?
It'll give you a little
See
yank.
if that gives you a
I don't know
help.
if it's straight all the way.
Really give that fucker a
That's your favorite tool.
give it a tug.
You still have your neck tattoo from the Saturday Night Shindig.
Yeah. I have to take that off.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Go. All right, oh girls on that. Mike, you gonna get dirty too?
Nope.
All right, we're good with that.
I get dirty when we do mine.
Oh,
I have
God.
a 64 that like has had like the loosest front end for like 30 years. So.
There you go, Peter. See how
Oh,
it's kinked
curled
right there?
here. Yeah, I see it.
You gotta
kinked
get
right
that kink out of it.
there. There it is. Well, the grease, I can't see it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Is it's
Like you
really
got
scuzzy.
nut bolts on here.
He's got new drums, newish drums. But all right, so
Good
we
for
get
him,
that
though.
apart. But man, look at it.
That spring.
It's still, I think it's, I think it's
There's gonna be some cleaning.
There's gonna be some cleaning. Yeah.
Powder pins? Well, yeah, we'll have plenty of new ones. Yeah.
it's still kind
Like I
of,
said, it's time to change the oil on your control.
see it.
Yeah, it's gonna need purple power bath for sure.
And is that's not undercoating all over the
Yeah.
Looks like it's pinched.
No, that is just grease and schmutz. That is schmutz.
Don't do it, you're gonna get it in Vic's hair.
That's the schmegma.
You wow.
Schmegma? Oh, Wick's even going at this now. He's like,
Come on, you mother.
cut it! Oh, Wick's just gonna break the damn thing.
Yeah. I'm over it.
Yeah.
Oops.
You don't need to reuse the cotton
Wick's not. Wick's
Now
not
we
playing
got
no more.
boxes of cotter pins.
or
So.
split pin, whatever you want to call it.
Split pin, Cotter
All right,
pin.
now we should have some success.
Ding! Alright, now you gotta
There's
get
another one, right?
this one here. Gotta unbury that one. That's where that pick might come in handy.
This one?
Yep, there's one here. And one up here. Oh darn.
It's up here?
They really like these fucking things, don't they?
Yeah. Look at the schmegma.
No, it's not over here. Oh, here maybe.
Yeah,
Right there.
Oh.
But better than the alternative of it flying out while you're
Oh my
at highway
God.
speed.
Yeah, we don't want that coming out.
That's a grim problem.
Then do not lie on this plastic.
No white dog on grease
It'd be a gray
plastic.
bit, gray dog.
Oh, you guys will do it.
What happens ones. It's a little bit weird because it's. I can't bend it straight because it's and this thing's blocking it. Is there a way to turn it with? No, because the freaking thing's in
We
it.
have to turn the steering, yeah.
It's at the end, right?
You got this one out.
This one's out. And
It's good.
The one here. Oh no.
You can
where-
pop that one. There's one here you gotta get.
Oh yeah.
And there's one here and one here.
It looks like they just kept greasing it.
Yeah, somebody just kept greasing and they
just
never
kept
wiped
greasing
it.
And who cares if it's coming out?
They never cleaned it. They never cleaned up
It
after.
looks like the bushings for the sway bar aren't that bad though, but they're really.
Yeah, but they're just dry.
They're not squished.
You guys want that tower, the tower light?
Pop that out. We'll get the rest of the sway bar out too. Tower light?
Yeah, the green light.
Yeah, we could probably use that in a bit. Gotta get all this apart.
That's what I like. Yes, the dog on her bed.
Flashlight.
And then we gotta get we got the shocks. The uppers.
This little sucker.
It's like an archaeological dig.
It is because it's so crusted.
Oh, wait.
Peter, you actually digging out schmutz?
Yeah.
I mean, the schmegma.
There's the trash can.
Ooh, the persuader.
Got it?
Yeah. Alright, so there's another one up top here.
Get this guy first. Because we can start with the tie rods, get them out.
This is so schmutzy, I can't even see where the fucking.
Yeah, you're gonna need to be doing some
Wait,
scraping.
I already took that one out. That one's out.
Okay, so you got
That one's
these three
I
out?
took this, and this.
All right,
What
there's
else?
two
Hey,
here.
Bobby,
One,
does this thing
two.
have a castle mode on it?
Oh, it's
Should.
Okay.
So one inside and I see on the inside.
Yeah, right here. Right here. Yeah.
We're doing a
Can't identify it yet.
So when you do an alignment, is there adjustment to these, or are those just there?
Yeah, we can adjust that. That's
But I
for
mean that-
setting the toe in and out.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah. We'll be doing all of that.
Here.
It'll be good.
I mean, need Wix glasses. Goodness.
You're gonna need Wix glasses. You always need Wix glasses.
Yeah, well, it's like right in my eye. And like, oh dear. I don't even see one here.
Yeah, it's there. It's just buried. You can see the edge of it right here.
This thing? Yeah.
And that's the edge of it, yeah, right
Yeah.
there.
So we just need to come in
You
and
gotta get in there and
pry it out.
once you get that, there you go.
All right, now she's coming.
Once you get those square, you can pop that baby right out. And then, I can have you.
It's going like the loop is this way.
Ooh, more light.
Oh, that works.
Oh,
Wow.
that's a little better.
Is that better?
There you go.
Yeah.
You can tap it out to get
Tap
better
it
head,
out?
but
Yeah.
it's being trapped by the sides of the castle.
Yeah.
So we gotta get that
So when they
unschmegma.
have it through.
Chris is going good over here. Looking for a hammer?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
Because
tap it out.
it's
Small
trapped.
hammer.
It looks like it's
It's not
inside,
sticking out past the.
It's right there.
Oh.
It's in the castle nut.
Yeah, the head of it's all the way in.
What size?
That should work,
That
Allie.
should work. We just need to tap it out.
Just tap it.
Knock it up. Flip it.
We're working on the front end.
There you go.
There we go.
Smack it up, flip it, rub it down.
Oh my
Speaking of
god.
ass, look at this guy's ass last night.
Jesus.